There's a brand new app on top of the App Store as I'm recording this, and it's called Paparazzi. It's a brand new social network, social media platform with a brand new twist. It's completely different than the other ones. This is how it's different, and I'll show you exactly how to use it, and then I'll give you my thoughts at the end of the video. But unlike other social media apps, you do not make your own profile. In fact, your friends will have to take pictures of you and then tag you to create your own profile. So they're basically trying to get rid of selfies and creating that perfect profile with your own pictures for yourself. Your friends are responsible for that, and you are responsible for doing that for your friends. It is only available on iPhone and iPad right now. So you could check out the App Store here and download it and go ahead and open it up. But when you do open it, I already signed up for an account, but you do have to give it permission for your contacts and your photos and your camera. And then go ahead and create a user profile. But let me show you around after you sign into the app. So if you go to the home page, if you look on the bottom here, the home page here, this is basically where you could invite your friends and then they could use this app with you, because you obviously need friends the way this is designed, because you can't create a profile with your own picture. Someone else has to take pictures of you. So let me press this. I'm sure this is gonna change a lot. This is only a few days old, so I'll make an updated video in a few months. And I think they're gonna rebrand to Pop. Right now it's called Paparazzi. It's a mobile app for exchange of photos between friends, but unlike other social media apps, profiles are not created by you, they're created by your friends, what I explained in the beginning. So you can read more about it here. So the first thing you typically want to do is you want to at least invite a couple of friends so you could use it. I just downloaded it, so it's brand new. Then on the bottom, there's a search icon, and let me kind of show you what posts on this platform look like. This is what they look like. You could do a single photo or this GIF style photos like this. And then here, there's a search bar, and you're gonna get suggested friends. So that's why it's asking you for your contacts on your phone, so you could actually recommend people here. And you could search for other users here using their profile name or their first or last name. Here you have a notification icon, just like any other platform where all your activities are gonna show here. On the bottom, you have your profile again, where I set up my profile. This will be your profile username that you could share. And your profile will appear here. When other people pop you, that's what it's called, they'll appear here on your profile. So your pictures will appear here, but you can't take pictures of yourself, so someone else has to do it. And then this tab right here is gonna show you the pictures you've taken of your friends. That will appear on your profile under this tab. And just like other profiles, let me show you. Let's go back to search, and I'll click on someone here just to show you. You can actually follow other users here, and you can react to their posts. So you could give it a heart, you could go ahead and share posts, all this stuff that you're used to with other platforms. But if you press on a user on top right here, you could go ahead and follow them over here. So that's all available just like other platforms. And this looks a lot like Instagram when you're on a profile page. To add a photo to someone else's profile, you could do it from their profile page with this icon, or you could press the photo icon right here, this camera icon. And I don't have anyone next to me, so let me just show you. For example, you could just take one picture. So I'm gonna take one picture and I'm gonna wait, and then it's gonna take me to the next page to tag whoever this is. And then this is gonna appear on their profile. Let me go back. You could also, let me delete that one. You could also take multiple pictures to create a GIF. So you could kind of move around and take all the pictures based on those white lines. And when it's done, it's gonna create this kind of GIF animation. You see that on top next to tag. Then you would tag someone. So if I type someone's name, for example, find them in search. If they're your friends, they're gonna show up, but you could tag anybody on this platform. You could go ahead and post it to their platform like this. And this will appear on their profile. And now if you come back to the home page with the P here, all your activities are going to show up over here. Now I tagged someone I'm not friends with, but it still appeared over here, and I could click on it to see. Right there you could see I tagged them, and it's waiting for their approval. So it's not just gonna appear. This is obviously not a picture of them, but if they like it, they could actually add it to their profile, and then they could react to it and share it, and everything else that you typically do on social media platforms. So far from my limited use of this app, it worked very, very seamlessly, and I love the unique idea and the unique approach to social media. I think it really has a leg to stand on, especially if they raised the round. This got to the top of the App Store with limited funding and almost no advertising. Really, I'm impressed with how they were able to get this app to this point. So I'll make follow-up videos, but on this channel, I cover all kinds of apps. So I have all the social media apps covered, over 100 videos on different apps here. So make sure you check those out to kind of compare different apps to see what's best for you. I hope you found this one useful. Please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.